Hey YouTubers, it's your boy MTC Took It 25 coming at you today with an unboxing and unpackaging. So I'm gonna get right to it. I'm not gonna bore y'all with a lot of talk. I'm just gonna cut into these boxes, okay? A lot of my subscribers know that I like to go fast and I like to bash, but I'm going a different route. Not a different route, but I'm just trying a little something different, you know what I'm saying? It's this part of the sport, part of the hobby. Get this big box out the way. So I picked up something from Nitro RCX. You know, I've been doing a little research. I've been going online checking on about this Exceed Mad Torque, right? No, here we go. The Mad Torque 8 scale. Okay, you seen it like I'm seeing it for the first time. Let me go in here and see what we got. I got the ready to run, not ready to run, almost ready to run version. Let's pull this baby out. I'm see if I can get into some crawling. I know there's a few guys out there that they swear by it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna see what crawling's all about. Okay, let me get this out the way. Here you got your manual, basic manual. I'll go through that later. So, yeah, here we got in here, I don't know, nothing, empty box. Empty box. This is a Mad Torque. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. Mad Torque. Oh, this baby got some lights on it. What? I didn't know that. This baby got lights on it. This would be something they just added, because I wasn't aware that it had lights on it. Let me see, take the shell off. Lexan, not too bad, not too shabby. I chose the orange version because, hey, that's what I like. So, aluminum everywhere. But it's got lights on there. I don't know if y'all can see that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 lights. Now that's different. Didn't know they had that on there. So that's cool. Because I was thinking about putting some lights on there. I had some that I was going to install right here. But I don't have to use them. I use it on something else, another project. That's cool. Like I said, I got the almost ready to run version because I'm converting this baby to 4-wheel steering. Okay? And you'll see why I say that in a minute when I get through unboxing the rest of these boxes and packages. Yeah, so that's the Exceed RC Mad Torque 1/8 scale, almost ready to run. When you see it again, it won't be stock. So let me set that aside. Yeah. And move on to some of these boxes here. Okay, what we got? They sent this little small package in this huge box. This is from Amazon. Okay, this is some screws I brought that I'm gonna need. Okay. Okay. Box 3. This is this comes from Nitro RCX, as well as the first box. And what we have in here is all the parts I need. This is for the rear bumper assembly. Okay, rear bumper assembly. And there's your Y harness, so I can put two servos together. There's some more screws. Gotta have the screws. Here's the bumper mounts. Screws I need for the bumper mount. Okay, put all that together. Yeah, I'm gonna have the Mad Torque. She's gonna be ready. Okay. Okay, we got another package. And this comes from CT Motorsports here in Florida. Yep, you see what it is, right? GRPs. And I got the K compound again. So we're gonna try it again with these. I need to replace the ones I blew up last Sunday. So one love with that. Okay. Now let's get to the packages. And this comes to you from Heads Up RC. This is in Ocala as well. This is Max Products, NPI product. What it is a servo reverser. It's a digital servo reverser, part 2449D. Okay, MPI, servo reverser. So you can put two servos together and then reverse the second one, okay? Okay. Another package. Try to get all this in, get it done quick, so I can get it posted. I'm anxious to get the building on the car. And here's some parts I brought for the Rustler. Okay, just the slipper clutch assembly, 38 tooth spur gear, which is plastic, and then that pin, that shaft that comes out of the gearbox. I'm gonna need that because the one I got on there is bent. Okay, and of course the screws that I showed you the first time, they go with this assembly. Okay, got one more package, and this comes to you from Tower Hobby. Okay, let's do it like this. It comes from Tower. What I got? Okay, I have two Traxxas spur gears, 34 tooth. That'd be item number 6493. 34 tooth Traxxas spur gear. There's two of those. You know what I'm gonna do with them. And then there's some Stampede 4x4 front axis, front arms, okay, for the axle. Not the axle, outer you know what I'm talking about. But I always like to have them on spares because sometimes they break when they plastic. I have the MIPs, CVDs in the back on the Stampede, and sometimes the one in the front breaks, so I always want to have enough. So, since it's cold outside, I mean cold as hell, you know what I'm saying? This will give me something to do in the inside, work on this new project, right? And I also found a new product by Rust-Oleum. and it's called Never Wet. If nobody's never seen it, do your research on YouTube and show you how good this product is. But this product, you can put this product on anything. It comes in two process setup. So before you go to messing with this, make sure you know what you're doing. But I'm gonna plan on doing some waterproofing to some electronics and stuff. Instead of using corrosion X and plastic dip and all that other stuff that's out there, I'm gonna use Rust-Oleum Never Wet. So with that said, YouTube, it's your boy MTC2B25 saying peace out and one love.